Step into the unknown, mystery seeker, where the mystery unfolds. Deep in the heart of Romania lies Hola Bechiu Forest, a place that has baffled explorers, scientists, and curious visitors for decades. Known as the world's most mysterious forest, it has a reputation that combines real science with legend. People enter hoping to explore nature, but many leave with stories they can't explain. The forest is dense, filled with twisted trees that seems almost unnatural. Some trees grow in impossible curves, spirals, or bends that makes you question if it's entirely natural. Travelers often pause, staring, unable to figure out how these shapes could form over decades. Visitors often report strange feelings as soon as they step inside, a sense of being watched or an overwhelming pressure in the chest. Even experienced hikers describe sudden disorientation like the forest itself bends reality. Many say their watches or devices stop working in certain spots. Hoya Baciu contains perfectly circular clearings completely surrounded by trees. These empty spaces feel unnatural and have sparked theories from UFO enthusiasts to scientists. Some suggest magnetic anomalies, others propose more mysterious explanations. Compasses and GPS devices often fail inside the forest, leaving hikers confused and lost. Many report wandering for minutes or even hours without realizing it. Scientists cannot fully explain these anomalies, which only add to the forest's eerie reputation. Photographs taken here often show unexplained phenomena, strange light streaks, blurs, or shadows that do not match anything present. Even when cameras are carefully set up, the results are inconsistent, fueling more intrigue than answers. Some visitors claim to see fleeting silhouettes or shadowy forms moving between the trees. Others hear whispers or voices, but find no one around. These experiences are sporadic and unexplainable, which only heightens the mystery. Many who spend extended time here report headaches, nausea, or a sudden sense of panic. Some describe sensations of lost time where minutes feel like hours. People often leave feeling disoriented and profoundly unsettled. Animals avoid certain parts of the forest, birds stare, even small rodents steer clear of some clearings, as if sensing something invisible. This peculiar behavior adds another layer of mystery to Hoya Baciu. The forest has become a magnet for paranormal investigators, thrill seekers, and scientists alike. Everyone hopes to capture evidence of the unexplained. Yet, after decades of exploration, there is no single explanation that satisfies everyone. Stories of disappearances through rare exit. Some visitors temporarily vanish or lose their way for hours. They return with strange stories of lights, sounds, and feelings they cannot describe. Local legends tell of spirits lingering among the trees. Some claim that people who enter with fear more likely to feel trapped or disoriented. Even skeptics acknowledge that something unusual happens here. Theories range from natural explanations like gas emissions and magnetic anomalies to more fantastical ideas such as portals or alternate dimensions. No theory fully explains the experiences reported over the years. Even drones and modern equipment struggle in certain areas. GPS signals fail, compasses spin erratically, and cameras capture inexplicable light patterns. Technology seems unable to map or record the forest reliably. Photographers often notice strange effects, circular distortions, sudden fog, or light beams that have no apparent source. These visual oddities are subtle but enough to make even experienced nature photographers question what they are seeing. Hikers describe feelings of unease as if unseen eyes follow them. They hear faint sounds that vanish when investigated. Even during daylight, the forest exudes an unusual, almost magnetic pull that keeps attention focused and tension high. Some circular clearings are completely empty of undergrowth, as if something systematically removed it. Scientists cannot explain why. Vegetation is absent only in perfectly round areas while surrounding growth remains untouched. Visitors sometimes experience a sense of accelerated or lost time. A hike that should take an hour feel like minutes, leaving them confused and unsettled. Watches, phones, GPS devices all appear to malfunction in the same zones. Even locals avoid the deepest parts of the forest. Some refuse to enter entirely, citing experiences from friends or relatives. Rumors of disappearances and strange occurrences keep the forest in a liminal state, neither fully explained nor forgotten. Research teams have attempted to study the forest scientifically. They bring magnetic sensors, cameras, and other instruments, yet, many report strange readings, unexplained anomalies, or equipment failures, making consistent data nearly impossible to collect. The forest's unusual magnetic activity has baffled geologists and physicists. They confirm anomalies exist but cannot determine their source. Compasses spin, GPS devices fail, and even aircraft nearby reported unusual interference. Hikers continue to report faint whispers or noises that have no origin. Others claim to feel sudden chills or a strong presence there. These experiences, though subjective, are remarkably consistent across decades of visitors. Some photographs capture strange orbs of light. Others show shapes that resemble figures or faces, though no human is present. These visual anomalies remain unexplained and fuel speculation around the forest. The forest attracts paranormal investigators, UFO enthusiasts, and curious travelers from around the world. Many hope to capture proof of the unexplained, yet the forest gives almost nothing away, keeping its secrets tightly hidden. Even seasoned explorers admit that Hoya Baekje challenges perception. People report hallucinations, disorientation, or sensations of floating or being pulled. These effects seem stronger in certain locations, reinforcing the idea of localized anomalies. Circular clearings, unusual tree growth, strange lights, and magnetic anomalies combine to make Hoya Baekje Forest one of the most perplexing places on earth. Each visit adds more stories but fewer answers. Despite decades of study, no one has found a definitive explanation. Scientists, skeptics, and adventurers alike admit that the forest resists understanding. Every attempt to rationalize the phenomena uncovers only more questions. Visitors who experience unexplained events often report them in online forums, documentaries, or scientific papers. The forest's reputation grows, drawing more curious travelers while keeping its core mysteries intact. Hoya Baekje Forest is a place where curiosity and caution meet. It challenges the mind, tests perception, and leaves everyone who enters with stories they cannot fully explain. And so it remains a forest of secrets, a place where people go missing in ways science cannot explain, where reality seems flexible, and where the mystery endures, waiting for the next brave soul to explore its depths.
Thanks for watching Mystery Seekers, where mysteries unfold and get unlocked.